Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the text. Set the document language and turn on spell check so automated suggestions appear. Then scan the first paragraph actively. Your eyes catch patterns that tools miss. Focus on prefixes, suffixes, and repeated letters because these are common error spots. Once done, mark suspect words rather than correcting immediately. This preserves context. Make sure to note proper nouns and technical terms so you do not autocorrect them incorrectly. Now dive into the middle work. Examine each flagged item in its sentence to determine if it's a true spelling error or a correct homophone. You should read the full sentence aloud to hear if something sounds wrong. Auditory cues often reveal mistakes. Once you find one instance, search the document for duplicates because writers repeat errors. If a word remains uncertain, check a trusted dictionary or style guide to confirm the correct form and usage before changing it. Finish by applying consistent corrections and then rerun the spell check to capture anything missed the first time. You should proofread the corrected passages slowly or better, ask another person to review because fresh eyes catch subtle errors. If you still see unexpected misses, troubleshoot by resetting the spell check dictionaries, clearing custom word lists, or checking language settings. Misconfigured options often hide problems. Finally, save a clean copy and document any recurring error patterns for future prevention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.